Back to English Lab 365, and Abir Sensei is back with you guys, and today's lesson will be phenomenal because we will be introducing you with a gifted writer, blogger, and an English learning enthusiast. She is none other than Antara Ibnat Othai. Okay, Antara Ibnat Othai. She is the founder of Guide to English Language. It's an online platform for English learning enthusiasts which specializes predominantly in English writing. Okay, today Antara Ibnat, she will be enlightening us on some tips about writing. Okay, Antara Ibnat, welcome to English Lab 365. You can also check some of the writings of Antara Ibnat in the description.
Hello everyone, welcome back to English Lab 365. Today we'll be talking about 4 ways you can improve your English writing skills. So let's go. Number 1, confidence. Don't attack this mission with a negative mindset. People usually make mistakes while learning, so instead of getting overwhelmed or intimidated by them, you should start jotting them down and try to be better the next time. Work on your writing every day and never give up. Number 2, work on your grammar. Even if you use advanced vocabulary and good organization strategies, if you're a bit weak on your grammar, it will definitely show on your sentences and eventually make your overall writing look really bad. So this is a must, my friend. You have to work on your grammar. There's no other way around. Number 3, spellings. Everyone loves a good air-free writing, and spelling errors are just not acceptable at all. After working on your grammar, you should start paying more attention to spelling errors or your spellings. Or you can just work on them both at the same time. Next is organization. Organization is key to any writing. Any good writing should have a good introduction, a solid body, and a clear conclusion. Also, a good writing should have a clear goal or purpose that will be fulfilled by the end of the developmental process. For example, if you want to write an essay on benefits of green tea on our health, so that's basically it, that's your goal. You want to inform your readers about the benefits of green tea, and your writing should be all about it. You don't want to confuse the readers with irrelevant information and try to stick to the main topic, green tea. That's basically it. So these are the 4 basic things you need to keep in mind to improve your English writing skills. For more content like this, subscribe to this YouTube channel and we'll see you soon. Bye!
Antara Ibnat, I cannot thank you enough for collaborating with English Lab 365. We are lucky to have an English writing expert like you. And we are looking forward to having more interesting content with you. Adios!